Have you ever wondered how to shift your reality? A question that may seem far-fetched, yet it hides within it a profound truth about the nature of our existence. Our reality, as we perceive it, is a construct of our minds, a reflection of our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. Consider this for a moment. Two individuals walk past the same park. One sees a place of tranquility, a haven of peace amidst the urban chaos. They notice the vibrant colors of the flowers, the rhythmic dance of the trees swaying with the breeze, and the joyful chatter of children at play. To them, the park is a sanctuary, a testament to nature's enduring beauty. The other individual, however, perceives the park differently. They see a mundane urban space with nothing more than the usual greenery and playground equipment. They notice the litter scattered around, the broken swings, and the noise. To them, the park is just another part of the city, neither beautiful nor ugly, just ordinary. The park is the same, yet the realities experienced by these two individuals are worlds apart. This is the power of perception, the power to shape our reality based on what we focus on, what we believe, and how we feel. But what if we could do more than just perceive our reality? What if we could shift it, change it to align with our deepest desires and our highest aspirations? What if there was a way to leap from one reality to another, much like a quantum particle jumps from one state to another? Such a concept may seem like it's straight out of a science fiction novel, but it's closer to reality than you might think. The universe, after all, operates on principles that often defy our conventional understanding of reality. So if we can perceive our reality, can we also change it? Let's explore this intriguing concept. Welcome to the fascinating realm of quantum jumping manifestation. This intriguing concept, deeply rooted in the theories of quantum physics, is all about tuning into a different frequency of reality. Imagine, if you will, a radio. Just as a radio tunes into various frequencies to access different stations, we too can tune into various realities based on our thoughts and emotions. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, operates much like a matching algorithm. It responds to our dominant thoughts and feelings, bringing to us more of what we focus on. This is where the importance of mindset and focus comes into play. If you're consistently tuning into a frequency of lack or fear, the universe will match that, and that's what you'll experience. But if you're tuning into a frequency of abundance, love, and joy, the universe will match that too, and your reality will reflect it. Embarking on a journey of quantum jumping manifestation involves shifting your mindset from a place of lack to one of abundance. It's about focusing not on what you don't want, but on what you do want. Your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions shape your reality, and by consciously choosing to focus on your desired outcomes, you can manifest them into your life. Now, you might be wondering, how does one tune into a different frequency? The key lies in mastering your mindset and maintaining a sharp focus on your desires. Much like how a radio operator adjusts the dial to tune into a specific station, you too can adjust your thoughts and emotions to tune into the frequency of your desired reality. And just like that, with the right mindset and focus, we can tune into a new reality. But how exactly does this work? So how do we tune our minds to shift realities? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? The mechanics of quantum jumping manifestation revolve around two vital components: visualization and emotional resonance. Let's start with visualization. It's more than just an image in your mind. It's about creating a vivid mental picture of the reality you want to inhabit. Think of it as a movie that's playing in your head, a movie where you're the star. You're not just seeing the scenes, you're living them. You're feeling the sun on your skin, hearing the laughter of loved ones, tasting the success. The more detailed and immersive your visualization, the more powerful the quantum jump. Consider Grace's story. She didn't just imagine a life free from domestic violence, she visualized herself living her dream life. She pictured every detail, from the colors of her new home to the smell of her morning coffee. This intense, detailed visualization acted as a beacon, guiding her quantum jump to a new reality. Next, we have emotional resonance. This is the emotional charge that amplifies your visualization. It's not enough to just see your desired reality. You need to feel it. Feel the joy, the peace, the love, the excitement. These emotions send out powerful vibrations to the universe, acting as a magnet for your desired reality. Take the example of a man who wanted to become a best-selling author. He didn't just visualize his book on the top of the charts. He felt the pride, the satisfaction, the exhilaration. He emotionally resonated with his vision, and that emotional charge fueled his quantum jump, manifesting his dream into reality. These two tools, visualization and emotional resonance, work together in harmony. They're the engine and the fuel, driving your quantum jump. They allow you to tune your mind, to shift from your current reality to your desired one. So the key to quantum jumping manifestation lies in our ability to visualize and emotionally resonate with our desired reality. Now that we understand the mechanics, how can we master quantum jumping manifestation? To truly master quantum jumping manifestation, we must delve into the realm of the mind. There's an old saying, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. And that couldn't be more true when it comes to quantum jumping. The first step is daily visualization exercises. Visualization is powerful because it leverages the brain's innate ability to bring to reality what it consistently sees. It's like creating an internal blueprint of the reality you want to jump into. So, take a few moments every day to vividly imagine the reality you desire. Next, we need to cultivate a positive mindset. This is crucial because the universe acts as a mirror, reflecting back to us the energy we put out. If we're constantly focused on positivity, the universe will respond in kind. That's why it's essential to consistently maintain a positive outlook, even in the face of challenges. Now, focusing on desired outcomes rather than fears or limitations is the third key. Remember, the universe doesn't discriminate between what you want and what you don't want. It simply aligns with your dominant thoughts. If you're always worried about what might go wrong, you're unintentionally manifesting that into your reality. Instead, shift your focus to what you want to achieve, and the universe will start aligning with those thoughts. Finally, remember that mastering anything requires practice. Quantum jumping manifestation is no different. It's not a one-time event, but a continuous process. The more you practice these techniques, the more proficient you become at shifting your reality. In the end, mastering quantum jumping manifestation is about more than just understanding the concept. It's about consistently practicing and refining these techniques. So what can you achieve with quantum jumping manifestation? The answer, dear friends, is simple: the power to transform your life. This is not just a bold claim, but a living reality for many who have harnessed the power of quantum jumping manifestation. Consider the story of Grace, whose journey we've been exploring. Once a victim of domestic violence, she used quantum jumping manifestation to shift her reality. And in less than a year, she was living her dream life. Her secret? A radical shift in mindset and a relentless focus on abundance. Or take the example of a struggling artist who for years couldn't break into the mainstream. Through quantum jumping manifestation, he shifted his focus from his lack of success to the vision of his art being celebrated worldwide. Today, he's a renowned artist, his work admired across the globe. And it's not just about career success or overcoming adversity. Quantum jumping manifestation can also help manifest personal happiness and well-being. Like a woman who, after years of battling health issues, decided to shift her focus. She visualized herself as healthy and active, and within months saw a dramatic improvement in her health. Quantum jumping manifestation is not magic. It's about understanding that the universe responds to our thoughts and emotions. It's about realizing that we have the power to shape our reality with our beliefs and focus. What's amazing is that these aren't isolated instances. There are countless individuals who've used quantum jumping manifestation to bring about massive transformations in their lives. They've harnessed the power to shift their realities, manifesting not just material success, but also peace, happiness, and fulfillment. Quantum jumping manifestation holds the power to transform not just our reality, but our entire lives. The question is, are you ready to make the jump?